Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Ma'am, today I'm going to talk about the laws of chemical combination. These laws of chemical combination were given after much experimentation by Lavoisier and Joseph L. Proust. First, we have the law of conservation of mass. Is mass created or destroyed during a chemical change or a chemical reaction? Well, the law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Then we have law of constant proportions. Lavoisier and other scientists were discovering compounds with different elements, and they always found the same elements in the same ratio, irrelevant of where it was formed or who prepared it. For example, in water, the ratio of the mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen was always 1:A, where doesn't matter who made it or where it was formed. So if 9 grams of water decompose, 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen will always be obtained. As a similar example, in ammonia, the ratio of nitrogen to hydrogen was always 14:3, no matter who made it or where it was formed. So this was the law of constant proportions. Proust stated is that the elements of a compound are always found in a definite proportion, in a definite ratio or proportion anywhere by mass. Then they had to make an organic law. John Dalton decided to put the nature's theories, and then he took the name atom. He took the name atom, and then he used the law of constant proportions in his work. The Dalton's atomic theory proved both the law of conservation of mass and the law of constant proportions. So that was Dalton's atomic theory, law of conservation of mass, and law of chemical proportions.